Hi guys, it is Monday, August 19th, and I'm here. It's the day after we moved in, and I'm gonna go ahead and start organizing some stuff. I'm obviously not gonna get everything done today, but I'm gonna start with the kitchen. My sister and I did a little bit of it this morning. I'm hoping I can get most of the kitchen unpacked, and you know, that entryway where we like actually, you know, need to be able to like cook and live. And then the office will come later this week once we have internet. I also need to call internet today and figure out that whole situation. Get all the utilities switched over and all that, you know, little stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and organize the living room. I'm gonna just do some sped up footage of that. Hope you guys enjoy. This is my first kind of like organizing, redecorating video. Miss B has been right here, she's been very attached to me. I think she's just kind of confused at like what's going on and where are we and all that. So you can expect to hear her heavy breathing in probably all of my organizing videos where I do intros and things because she's just very worried. Huh? Are you worried? Are you just confused? So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and get started and I'll talk to you guys later. guys, so sorry, we've been in the laundry room for most of this time. I'm trying to organize these the best I can. And here we have candles and soap, Ziploc bags, tissues, my wax melt stuff, some hand sanitizer, and matches. And here, I'm trying to leave room for our dish soap eventually because our washer and dryer that we had at our old house, we're going to buy a new one. So we're not replacing that quite yet. So once that gets replaced, our dishwasher soap, or our washer and dryer stuff will go right here basically. Up there are a bunch of vases. Brandon gets me flowers and I tend to keep them. I need to go through them and be more picky about what I keep, but this is like the ones that I've kept over the years. I've gotten more that, you know, he's gotten me, but we've been together 8 years, so it's a lot of flower vases from our anniversary, birthdays, and Valentine's Day. And then over here is actually most of the cleaning supplies, and again, I've left some room because there's some other stuff that's at our new house, old house, I can't even talk, our old house that needs to come over, but basic cleaning supplies. And then down here in these drawers, this one has like sponges and stuff. Let me flip you around. This one has like sponges. This is kind of our catch-all junk drawer right now. It has like the old face plates that we replaced. We replaced all of these. We basically replaced everyone in the whole house. So latex gloves, and then here's some just window latch stuff for our steam mop. And then down here, the bottom shelf is all of the painting supplies that we bought and that we can reuse. And then the top is our party supplies. So you can see we have some like cookie trays and stuff, punch bowls, cups, napkins, ping pong balls. And so that's what I've gotten done in here. And obviously I've been able to like clean the floor, because before, if you saw, this was all covered with like painting stuff. So I obviously still have to put this away. These doors aren't going back on the rooms until I paint them. I'm going to paint them the new bright white and replace all the knobs to be silver. We're going to replace, we'll install a mailbox because we don't have one. And I have that guy in the numbers and the spray paint. I could hear him. And then in here, I have some stuff I still need to go through. But, I mean, we can walk in the kitchen now, so it's definitely progress. I have to go through my mugs, but I'm going to put the ones I love the most on the bottom, along with my travel mugs, and then, you know, harder for me to reach at the tops and the ones I don't use as often. You're still in the video. And then I put the coffee pot over here, blender, knife rack, and then down here we have our pots and pans on the top shelf, and then our baking things on the bottom shelf. Down here we just have our dishwasher soap. This cabinet's still empty. Don't know what I'm putting in there yet. This one has sandwich bags, foil, and plastic wrap. This guy is our silverware and our straws and beer and wine cork, my lunchbox, fork, knife, spoon set. Down here, that cabinet is empty, but this one has a lot of our small appliances like our crock pots, rice cooker, smoothie maker, our air popper. This is the box of stuff I'm taking to donate. And then, oh yeah, up here I put kind of all of our fun random cups are up there. Like, we have a bunch of cups that we've gotten from, we got those ones from like Universal. We have Slurpee cups up there, things we don't use very often, but they're fun to pull out every once in a while. And we have some kid cups for my nephews when they come up there. And then my assortment of Tupperware and some pitchers for water and juice and stuff. And then over here, we're going to have our plates and bowls, our glasses, and then our bowls. Except for we totally forgot that we had a full dishwasher of clean dishes and things, and we didn't pack them because we totally didn't even realize they were in there. And then I have, this cabinet has our cookbooks, our oils, our spices, and then our baking supplies up there. Over here is food stuff, so I thought breakfast stuff would be on the bottom shelf. And then Brandon James, come get it right now. Put it back where it belongs now.
I don't know why you told me all this earlier, because I'm just going to forget.
Thank you. I'm looking in here. And then in the middle shelf is all our canned things. And this is just a few of each. I have an overflow of them because I buy them from Costco. We have our canned tomato sauce that my father-in-law makes, a bunch of extra sauces and things, some baking stuff. And then this is the overstock. It's kind of hard for me to reach, so I'll definitely need a step stool. But this is like overstock of stuff that we have in that cabinet, because when you buy from Costco, you get like 10 cans of each thing. So I just put about 2 in the actual cabinet, and then the rest are up here. And then up here we have our medicine cabinet. Then in here we have some snacks. And this one is also snacks. And then this is going to just be all, you know, snack food, easy lunch stuff to go down there. You saw me undo or pack up and put stuff in our fridge. And the fridge part is smaller, but our freezer part is bigger, because this filled up our whole freezer, and we obviously still have some room here and on the bottom shelf. But the fridge is way smaller than the one we had at our house. So thankfully we have an extra fridge freezer in the garage, and we'll just put stuff, you know, extra stuff out there. Because this honestly isn't even a lot of food for us. Just because I usually go to Costco, I buy bulk, and then I don't go for a long time, to be honest. And so when I first go shopping, I mean, we would fill this really easily. So we're definitely going to be filling probably both of these fridges when we go grocery shopping. But this is kind of the random stuff we have right now. Haven't gone in a while because we were moving. So I was just like, eat what we have. Let's not buy anything else. But that's basically what I got unpacked today, is the kitchen. And that was kind of my goal, was the kitchen. And then I was tired of not being able to go through the back door in the laundry room. So I wanted to clean that up. So that is going to be it for this vlog tonight. I need to go to the old house to upload this because we still don't have internet here or my computer. And then I will continue filming as I organize and go through each room. Obviously there's things that we'll tweak over time, but today I just wanted to be able to move all the boxes off the floor and be able to like actually move around in here. So that's what I did today. And hopefully I can get some more footage of the other rooms. I think next, after this of importance, I'm going to move to our master closet, and I still have a bunch of boxes like in the dining room area right here because they need to go in this hutch, and it's going to take me some time to decorate that and go through that. So I will film that for you guys and keep posting these videos. I hope you like this VLOGUST episode of me organizing and packing, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye!